Here again is One World Trade Center. You can see the communications rings, which will be used for broadcasting, along with the rest of the antenna. And the HVAC vents still need to be filled in. There's plywood behind it, but I think I see a few of the real ones. I don't know. No, I don't think those are the real vents. Alright everybody, I am now back at the Hudson River. It is now time to go to Brooklyn over the Manhattan Bridge. I'm now going to take you over to Brooklyn Bridge Park so we can get a sunset look from there of 1 and 4 World Trade Center. So again, there's a look at the communications rings and the temporary staircases and permanent ones for the antenna spire. All right, everybody, let's go to Brooklyn Bridge Park. Before I continue over, here's just another look at the site. You can see the transit hub really good. Tower 3 is next to it. And there's the base of One World Trade Center. And you can see Tower 2 also. Alright, here I am again on the Manhattan Bridge. Again, 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Truly looks beautiful. It's an amazing skyscraper. Both towers 1 and 4 have come a long way. When towers 2 and 3 join it, 2 will be right behind number 1 and 3 will be next to Tower 4. I'm going to continue over so we can get to Brooklyn Bridge Park. It truly looks amazing. Alright, I'm a little further over. You see that beautiful sunset with 1 and 4 World Trade Center. It's simply amazing. See the antenna spire and the communications rings? That one crane that's left in Tower 4. It's time to continue over to Brooklyn Bridge Park. Just going to stop one more time before I head over into the park. Here again is 1 and 4 World Trade Center with a very nice sunset in the background. Truly an amazing skyscraper. Let's continue. All right, Brooklyn Bridge Park, everybody. Here we are. Night is settling in, so it's a little darker than I wanted, but it still looks nice. This is New York City. It's always nice. So here again is Tower 1 and 4, Freedom Tower. Truly does look beautiful. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to stand out of the way. Alright, I'm closer over towards the carousel. Here again, Freedom Tower, 1 World Trade Center, and Tower 4. There's the Manhattan Bridge, where I just walked over. Way down there is the Williamsburg. And right here is Brooklyn Bridge. Truly amazing sunset and towers.